Hi guys, we're back in our window garden, as you can see. Slightly different setting today and also slightly different circumstances. As it happens, in the current circumstances, I was told the other day that I had been near by somebody who had the virus, which meant that I had to self-isolate. So our scheduled filming had to be changed and I have to be filming myself. I'm filming indoors because I can't go anywhere. But hopefully that will not make a big difference and we can still have a beautiful window display at the end of it. Today we're going to be talking about family. We're going to be creating a kind of family window garden, a portrait family, let's say, and or a family portrait. And and this is all about. A lot of people are these days spending more time than they usually do with their parents or with their kids, and on the other hand, some of the people are not able to visit or to see their beloved ones. So we're gonna play a little bit with that. Hopefully we can show ourselves to the world, and also maybe at the end of the project today, maybe you can also think about sending one a kind of family portrait or maybe a personal flower portrait to somebody. If you don't know what I mean, yeah, let's see how we can do that. So yeah, let's go for it today. Okay, so we have some little details of our lovely window for inspiration, and we're going to go through the materials we're using today. We have in front of us some of those beautiful bits of paper that you may have received with your creative pack, and we have already done a little bit of cutting, so we have some pre-cut petals so that we can play along, and we don't have to get you to bore you with a lot of cutting. So we have petals of different colors, and we also have some green stems. We have more green stems here, we have more different kind of paper, and also we have scissors, we have a brush and water, and we have a little bit of PVA glue or one of these glue sticks. And in this case we also have a set of faces. So today we would like to do this thing about faces, flowers as characters. So the way we see it, you could have either a portrait of somebody in your family, so you could have a whole family portrait with all of you included in that little window garden. Or you could think about famous people, whether it's contemporary or non-contemporary. Or you could think about characters that you like, cartoons, or characters from any artwork, or sculptures, or anything you can find in newspapers could be also used. So we can play with that today. Yep. Okay, we're gonna demonstrate a little bit how you can cut shapes, and yeah, and you don't have to cut them all in one go. So basically, you take a piece of paper, as with the color that you like. We have a number of colors that you can choose, and then you can fold it once, maybe twice, maybe even 4 times. And then when we go with our scissors, then we can. I'm gonna try an experiment and see if I can make a kind of a little bit star shaped flower. to make something slightly different from what we've done so far, and see how that goes. Yeah, so going around cutting, as you can see, sharp a star shaped like flower. Yeah, and we're cutting and we're cutting, trying to keep the shape of the circle as we go around, and we're nearly there, we're nearly there. Yeah, okay. Oh, there's a lot of leftovers here. Yeah, and now if we unfold it, hopefully we should get something really nice. Oh! In some places it's not perfect, but we can work with that. We will make it work later on. Yeah. So we have now one beautiful flower in the middle and some of the others that will help us to develop this special flower now. Yeah. Okay. So we'll carry on with our making. Yeah. Okay guys, we started filming daytime. We ended up at night. We worked so hard, and now this is the day after. That's how our beautiful window display is looking. And as you can see, we went for a family portrait that included some pictures of members of the family, some pictures of people or of things that they liked, and yeah, we can go one way or the other. It's up to you how to decide to do it. If you don't like using your window completely, there's another thing that you can do, is you can make family portrait maybe on a piece of paper, and then you can always take that piece of paper and stick it on your window with a bit of sellotape or something like that. It's not the same. This one is done in black paper, but it could be done in white paper or any other paper that you decide to do. Acetate that is transparent could do as well. And another thing that I may suggest, once you do your family portrait, you can now think about sending something to someone you like. So you can make maybe a little family portrait flower postcard, and maybe send it to somebody you haven't seen for a while or something like that. So we hope you have enjoyed it, and we will see you next week with our next window garden.